Hello guys, welcome to this tape, and the topic for this video is the present value for a growing annuity. What is a growing annuity? A growing annuity is a security that pays out a sum of money C that grows at a periodic rate G over the time. There are two types of annuities, the infinite and the finite one. If the annuity is finite, then it has a finite life. Hence, it has an infinite life. On the other side, in order to evaluate both types of annuities, we must subtract the variable G, which is the growth rate, from the discount rate. As a first step, we must build our data table. Step 2. Set up your variables. Remember that a growing annuity is built up from the first payment C, the growing rate G, the discount rate R, and the number of periods N. I fully recommend to identify the type of security you're working with in order to avoid getting lost or confused while doing your calculations. You may identify your variables this way to work easier. Now let's calculate the price for an infinite annuity. We just repeat the same process as we did at the beginning and then divide the first payment C by R minus G. To finish this work, let's format our table. Finally, we learned how to calculate a growing annuity's price at time 0, from building your data table to make a clean worksheet for a customer who probably will need your help in the future. See you for the next video. Thanks for watching, only here on Hex DNF. Bye bye!